What's up YouTube, this is Jalen with Growthinspire, back with another video going to be talking about how to do a title video like you can see from over here. So if you're wondering how you can add in a pop-up title but you don't have the technology like After Effects or Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve to add in this pop-up title, I'm going to show you guys how you can add it yourself from scratch using Canva Pro. So definitely check out this video here if you're wondering how I did it myself and how I built it from scratch. So definitely check this out. Before we get started on this how-to tutorial, don't forget to follow my channel and then check out the Growthinspire Shop. I have tons of goodies that you guys would love. It helps me grow my channel and produce more videos and growing it from there. So I appreciate you guys who's been tuning in, watching these videos, who's been following the movement since day one. I can't thank you guys enough, so I want to thank all of my supporters out there. I couldn't really find a workaround or a tutorial from Canva or from Google right now to make a pop-up title, so I decided to do a little bit of figuring out. I found a good workaround that I was satisfied with, but they may be a different solution later on in the future. I don't know, but I decided to show you guys how you can do it from this if you're running across the same problem that's I did. So definitely check out this tutorial here on my computer. So I'm just got it on Canva, just an on-design video. It's just from scratch. You'll see this white blank screen like this, but since I use a lot of green and then my logo and my YouTube channel got a lot of green, I'm gonna use a blue chroma key. And then there's a certain color code that you can use for. I'm just gonna copy and paste it on here for me. So first thing I'm gonna do, since I'm using a chroma key, I'm gonna copy and paste that code so that way it's blue. And then here I'm going to elements and then I'm going on frame. And then you can always be creative on this for yourself, but I'm probably just gonna make this one pretty basic. Let's see, which one of these? Let's go back up. Use this right here. So yeah, this one right here. And then what I like to do is expand it all the way. That way it's like covering this part up. Let's drag it down to maybe like right there. A little bit more. Yeah, it should be fine. And then I'm gonna duplicate it. The reason why I make two of them is because I'm gonna use one of these frames here as a trim, and then this other one will be the outer piece. But you'll see here in a second. So after that, I'm going here and I'm gonna make the trim piece, and we'll just say light red. Go under videos. But make sure you trim it down though, because you don't want your title to be like really 30 seconds long. Good rule of thumb is about 5 seconds. Then put it like that, and let's just find something random on here. text. And you can always change it up how you want. Yeah, that's the one I recently used, so just click that, and this will pop up. And then you know you want to make it bigger, smaller. Then from there, normally what I like to do is go in effects to make it kind of stand out so people can read it better. So lift is a pretty good one. That way people are not struggling to read it. And then from there, you will control and select all of them. You will select and control all of them, and then you hit group. Then from there, you can go on, hit this little three dots over here, and go on animate. And then you can pick a good animation. So typically, since it's got a chroma key on there, you will want something that'll kind of slide in but not like really fade. So I know baseline is a real good one, and I usually hit both on there, and then you will want to pick the direction that you want it to go. So I know going from the right side is pretty good. So now once you play it, it's kind of buffering on here. It'll go like this, and then it'll slide back out. So if you don't want it to go like that, at the bottom here you can hit reverse animation, and then from there it will, once you play it, it'll come in, you know, it has the title, and then it'll slide right back out where it came from. So that's how you want to have it set up, and then I'll show you guys how I'll have it set up on my iPad here in just one moment. I highly recommend people to use LumenFusion for video edits and all that. It's a very good tool in my opinion, so definitely something I would recommend someone to use. I'm going to show you guys how I edit to these videos, given that I use a lot of green and all that good stuff. So all I'm going to do is just pull up a video clip. I'm going to do the color grade and all that later, but I'm just using this as an example. So let's see, we got that here. Yeah, like you can see from over here. So if you're wondering, I'm not sure where to add it, but I'm just using it for an example. So here we got the chroma key. All we do is just drag it down, and then it'll come out like a blue screen right there. So all you'll really have to do is tap this, go to where you see the key right here, then hit blue screen. So now it's gone, and now let's play the video. If you're wondering how you can add in a pop-up title, but you don't have the technology like After Effects or Premiere Pro, really all you have to do, you can check it again, check the edges and all that. There's really nothing there. The border looks perfect. Like, you really can't go wrong using it like that. Now, I know a lot of people, they may clip it out, cut a clip and use like a pen, or they might zoom in or zoom out, make it stand out a little bit better. But with the coming out on Canva, you can just have it slide in, it's like right back out from where it went. So that's pretty much it. That's all you really had to do with this tutorial here. And I know it'll help a lot of people out, get, you know, that video a lot more better style. So that is definitely something I recommend people to test out and try. I hope you guys liked that video that I provided, and just for me being a nice person that I am, I provided that template link at the bottom of that description for you guys to download it yourselves and use it for your own, or you can do whatever you like with it. So peek the bottom of the description, you can get access to that link, clicking that link below. So I appreciate you guys who was watching this video here. I hope you guys have a good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts about it. I appreciate you guys a lot. I'll see you at the next video. See ya.